chapatis are ready. You can see they are very soft indeed, and you can see the layer. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we have a visitor. She's called Rachel. She's my sister. She has a surprise recipe for you guys. Let's hear what she has to tell us. Hey guys, today I want to teach you how to make soft layered chapatis. So subscribe, like, and leave a comment. Stay tuned. Let's get straight to the video. Yay! So here I have 2 cups of egg flour, sugar, salt, enough oil for me, margarine, and warm water. I'll start mixing my salt and sugar and with flour. Then I'll mix with margarine. Remember, margarine is our secret to soft layered chapatis.
Give me a piece of the moon to remind me.
Then next I'll add my warm water. It's around 1.5 cups because my flour was 2 cups. So guys, you knead your dough until it becomes this way. See, my hands are clean. This tells me the dough is ready. So I'll have to leave it for like 2 hours to relax. Then I'll be back. Stay tuned.
2 hours later.
Sorry. You see, my dough is ready to cook. Ready to cook. Let me show you the next step I'm gonna do. Don't mind the shape here. We wanna do the circles later when the dough is ready to cook. So don't mind the shape here. It doesn't matter at all.
Kulikuwa washukiwa wawili wa mauaji ya Kevin Omwenga, Chris Obure na Robert Huko wanajua hatima yao hapo kesho wakati mahakama ya Kibera itakapoamua ikiwa ombi la upande wa mashtaka.
Okay, this one is ready. Then make sure you cover it with kitchen towels to avoid some dirt on it.
Yo, I think about others way before myself, yeah. I guess that's why I feel like I go through hell, damn. Wasting time on your dreams instead of mine, yeah. About to turn this franchise around on a dime, man. It's all about finding your right state of mind. It's all about turning the worst into fine. It's all about time and the work and the climb. From the thirst we will rise, I'm immersed in this life. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself